by Kepler method. First listen to me. Convolution by Kepler method. The same sequence is given here. X1 of n equal to 1 minus 1 minus 2 3 minus 1. X2 of n equal to 1 2 3 0 0. So what we have done here is we have taken the corresponding how many samples here? How many samples here we have? 5 samples. With respect to this is x1 of 0, x1 of 1, 2, 3, 4. Total samples here is 5. So we have to take the 0. So totally how many samples for this side? So 5 samples now. So with respect to 0 you have to write x1 of n is equal to this side 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This side 5 samples and left side you are supposed to write as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2. And this is the starting point. With respect to the starting point, you have to write this x1 of n. So what is x1 of n? We have to start only from 0. 0 on. 0 onwards, we write the sequence what is given in the problem. 1 minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 2. And what is the next one? x2 of n. Again you have to start from 0 and start writing the sequence 1, 2, 3, 0, 0. And from the next onwards, see here, this is the x2 of minus n. Okay, minus n, that is x2 of n, and this is x4 of minus n. That is nothing but you are folding the sequence. You are simply folding the sequence. If you are folding the sequence, what will happen if you fold this paper? What will happen? The 0, 0 will come this side. The 0, if you fold this paper, what will happen? The 0 will fall on this side. Because this one becomes 0, 0, 3, 2, the 1 message. 1 you are supposed to write, if you are having 4, you have to write the same 4 number. Okay, if you are having 3, you have to repeat 3 here. Is it clear? If you are folding this paper, this content will come this side. Okay, so you know this is x4 of 8 and this is x4 minus 8. That will be reflected this side. So because of this one, this sequence you have to write like 0, 0, 3, 2, this one as H, okay, and automatically this will go this side, before. Is it not? So you have to write the same thing 0, 0, 3, 2. And what is the meaning of this one? You are doing circular convolution for this sequence. That means you have to move. There is no need to move. Actually, this is 0 step only. Okay, no need to move. Okay, 2 comma 0. This one should be written as instead of 1 or 2 here nothing is there. Because of that, we are writing this one as x2 comma 0 of n. Okay, see here, you have to move the sequence one step higher. One step. Okay, in the right hand side. One step to the right, not to the left. Why to the right? Here this is positive number. If this is negative number, you have to move the sequence to the left. So normally we used to have only positive number. So 1 minus n, what is the meaning of this one? Circular convolution, 1 minus n, you have to move the sequence one step to the right, towards right. So leave this one. We write the same sequence. 0, 0, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 3. And what about this one? What you are written here? x2 of 2 minus 2. You are doing circular convolution for this one. This could be written as x2 comma, here we have written 1. Here what you are supposed to write? 2 comma 2 of n. So you have to move how many steps? Forward 2 steps. Okay, the remaining thing should be filled by the same pattern. 0, 0, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0. This is how we are doing. Okay, and what about the next one? problem. What should be the next row? You have to fold any one of the sequence. Normally we prepare the previous sequence, x2 of it. You have to fold this one. That is nothing but if you fold the paper, those contents will come to the left side and this content will go to that side. This is all you have to fold, and for each and every circular convolution, for each and every step, you have to move one step forward. Why? Because this number is positive. If this number is negative, you have to move the sequence towards left. This is okay. Is it okay now? Is it okay? And we are supposed to find the final answer. For the final answer, when n equal to 0, y of 0 equal to summation n equal to 0 to 4, x1 of n into x2 comma 0 of n. x2 comma 0 of n. Which one we are going to multiply now? Which one we are going to multiply? x2 comma 0 of n. So x1 of n should be multiplied with this. Should be multiplied with this. This is how we are going to multiply these two numbers. Is it clear? Here there is no number. No need to multiply. So this is the formula. x1 of n. Which one is x1 of n? The first sequence is x1 of n. x1 of n should be multiplied with, what is this? With no shift. x2 comma 0 of n. So we have to multiply. So summation n equal to 0 to 4. Why we have written like this? This 4 is nothing but n minus 1. Number of samples minus 1. Total number of samples here is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So what is how we are supposed to write the formula here? x1 of 0 into x2 comma 0 of 0. Similar up to x, how much of x1 of 4 you have to do? x1 of 0, x1 of 1, x1 of 2, x1 of 3, x1 of 4. So now you multiply and tell me the answer. This 1 into 1. So 1 into 1. 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 0. 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 0 plus minus 2 into 0. Okay? Plus 3 into 3 plus minus 1 into 2. What is the answer? 8. Then when n equal to 1, y of 1 is equal to, could you multiply directly? When n equal to 1, y of 1 equal to, when n equal to 2, y of 2 equal to, when n equal to 3, y of 3 equal to, when n equal to 4, y of 4 equal to. That's all. Only 5 samples, so we have to stop with this. Am I right? When n equal to 1, y of 1 equal to, now you have to multiply. What you have to do? You have to multiply this one with this, and this one with this, this one with this, and you have to multiply this with this, this with this. So immediately multiply. Okay? So 1 into, yes, come on, you tell me now. Yes, come on. 1 into, yes, come on, open your mouth. 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 plus minus 1 into 3. What is the answer? Minus 2. And what about the next one? You have to multiply this one with this, this one with this, this one with this, this one with this, this one with this. The next one, yeah. This is how you have to multiply. Yes, come on, tell me now. Come on, tell me. 1 into? Yes, good. Minus 1 into? 2. Minus 2 into? 1. Good. 3 into? 0. Minus 1 into? 0. What is the answer? Minus. equal to, tell me the answer. 8 minus